The importance of response time in gaming monitors. Title: The importance of response time in gaming monitors. Introduction. In the world of gaming, every millisecond matters. From competitive esports battles to immersive open-world adventures, gamers strive for the ultimate gaming experience. While many factors contribute to achieving that, one aspect often overlooked is the response time of gaming monitors. Response time is a critical element that directly affects gameplay performance and overall enjoyment. In this article, we will delve into the importance of response time in gaming monitors and how it can greatly influence the success of gaming sessions. Understanding response time. Response time refers to the speed at which a pixel on a monitor can change its color or brightness. It is typically measured in milliseconds, ms. A lower response time indicates a faster transition, resulting in less blurry or ghosting images during fast-paced movements on the screen. In essence, it determines how quickly the monitor can keep up with the changing visuals rendered by the CU. Reducing motion blur. One of the primary advantages of low response time in gaming monitors is the reduction of motion blur. Motion blur occurs when pixels do not change fast enough, resulting in blurry visuals during FOS. Moving scenes. This phenomenon can hinder precision and reaction times, negatively impacting the overall gaming experience. Imagine you're playing a first-person shooter game, and you need to react swiftly to an opponent running towards you. A gaming monitor with a high response time may struggle to keep up with the quick movements, causing a blurred image that makes it difficult to aim accurately. However, a monitor with a low response time ensures that the images are displayed with crisp clarity, enabling you to act quickly and precisely. Responsiveness and input lag. Apart from motion blur, another crucial aspect influenced by response time is input lag. Input lag refers to the delay between a player's action, such as pressing a button or moving the mouse, and corresponding action on the screen. Ideally, gamers want the monitor to respond immediately to their actions, providing a seamless and immersive gaming experience. When response time is high, it often introduces additional input lag, leading to a perceivable delay between the player's commands and the on-screen feedback. This delay can be frustrating and significantly impact gameplay, particularly in competitive scenarios. To minimize input lag, gaming monitors with low response times are vital, ensuring that visuals align with your actions as closely as possible. Competitive gaming. For professional gamers and enthusiasts involved in competitive gaming, responsiveness is paramount. Whether it's first-person shooters or real-time strategy games, milliseconds can make a difference between victory and defeat. In such high-stakes environments, gaming monitors with low response times allow players to react swiftly and accurately to opponents' actions. In esports tournaments, professional players often demand gaming monitors with response times as low as 1 millisecond. These monitors enable faster pixel transitions, reducing motion blur and input lag to the competitive edge. By providing a more responsive gaming experience, players can execute precise movements, take quicker actions, and seize crucial opportunities that might determine the outcome of a match. Immersive gaming experience. Beyond competitive gaming, the importance of response time extends to immersive single-player experiences as well. Gaming is often regarded as an art form that combines stunning visuals with engaging storytelling. To fully appreciate and immerse oneself in the narrative, it is essential to have a seamless and fluid visual presentation. A gaming monitor with low response time ensures smooth transitions, allowing players to appreciate the intricately designed environments and visually striking details in games. Choosing the right gaming monitor. When it comes to choosing a gaming monitor, response time is a key factor to consider. For most gamers, a response time of 1 millisecond or 2 milliseconds is often the ideal choice. However, it's important to note that different technologies, such as TN, twisted pneumatic, VA, vertical alignment, and IPS, in plane switching, may offer varying response times. TN panels typically provide the fastest response times, ideal for competitive gaming scenarios. VA panels offer deeper contrast and wider viewing angles while maintaining relatively low response time. As for immersive gaming experiences, IPS panels prioritize color accuracy and wider viewing angles, but the response times may be slightly higher. Ultimately, finding the right balance between response time and other display features depends on individual preferences and gaming needs. Response time is a critical element in gaming monitors that directly affects gameplay performance and overall enjoyment. It refers to the speed at which a pixel on the monitor can change its color or brightness and is measured in milliseconds. A lower response time results in less motion blur and ghosting, providing clear and crisp visuals during fast-paced movements. Reducing motion blur is one of the primary advantages of low response time. Blurry visuals during fast-moving scenes can hinder precision and reaction times, negatively impacting the gaming experience. A monitor with low response time ensures that images are displayed with clarity, enabling quick and accurate reactions. Input lag is another important aspect influenced by response time. It refers to the delay between a player's action and the corresponding on-screen feedback. High response time introduces additional input lag, causing a delay between commands and feedback. This delay can be frustrating and significantly impact gameplay, especially in competitive scenarios. Gaming monitors with low response times minimize input lag, providing a seamless and immersive gaming experience. In competitive gaming, responsiveness is paramount, and milliseconds can make a difference between victory and defeat. Professional gamers often demand gaming monitors with response times as low as 1 ms to enhance their competitive edge. By reducing motion blur and input lag, low response time monitors allow players to react swiftly and accurately to opponents' actions, helping them to seize cruck. Opportunities. However, the importance of response time is not limited to competitive gaming. It extends to immersive single-player experiences as well.